Today we are gonna learn how to make a lotus. First we need to know about these colors. Look at these colors. This is red color. This is red color too. This is orange color, yellow, blue, green, dark green, dark green, dark blue, pink, purple, dark pink and black. We are gonna color these colors with a lotus. Okay? Understand? So first we are gonna draw some lotus. A lotus. Okay? So let me just open it. So first we are gonna know how to make a lotus. So first make a leaf. Okay. Now make another leaf. Now do it again. Now you need to make a triangle. Another triangle. Look how cute the lotus has been. So first we are going to do the stem. Look how beautiful it is. Now we are gonna color in it. So first we need the color of pink. Pink is my favorite. Did you know lotus is the international flower in the India? It is found in water like pond, rivers, water. There's lots of places, but you are not one of them. You need to find a river or a pond. You will find just like there. There are a lot. Did you know my favorite hobby is drawing? When I was born, I really like to draw. When I grow up, I want to become a dancer. So I draw every day, every night. I love to draw. It's just my hobby. I love to do it. And I do dance sometimes when I do my homework and the afternoon when I come after the school. When I dance, my mother say happily, "How was school?" I will always eat and my mother asks, "How was school?" I always tell her a lot of things that happened in school. And I told about my exams, test, what marks did I get. So now we need green color. Let's color it. Green is just like the grass. I love green because it's nature. I like pink. I love every color. Black, blue. I love every color. Yay! It's done! Now we are gonna draw something else. Let's start. So first we are gonna make ice cream. So let's make it. I love ice cream, but it's winter right now, so I don't eat ice cream anymore. But in summer, I love to eat ice cream. When I catch a cold, I cough a lot. My father gave me 20 cents to get, and they take care of me. So we are gonna make a really beautiful ice cream. So this is the ice cream. Now it's dropping some syrup, chocolate syrup, and a cherry on the top. Look how cute it is. Now we are gonna color it. So we need some brown. So first we are gonna color the syrup, chocolate syrup. I love chocolate, but it's not my favorite flavor. My favorite flavor is butterscotch. In cake, I like too butterscotch. It's so amazing. I love the taste of butterscotch. So, which flavor should I make this ice cream? I don't know. Tell me. I think I should make a blueberry flavor. My favorite. There is no butterscotch. I love blueberry too. Chocolate syrup and blueberry flavor is so good. I love it. I love ice cream. Especially when it's summer. When I brought some ice cream and I brought too much ice cream, I put it in the fridge. When I come from the sun or from school, I eat one only ice cream because I will catch a cold if I eat too much ice cream. So I love to color. Now my favorite thing is to draw is some family picture. I will draw it on the next video and you will love it. I know how to make people. You are gonna say, just subscribe to me and follow me so I can know what is your father or family picture. I will tell you. So let's color this cherry. I will color the cone brown, just like a chocolate style cone. You have seen a skin cone, but I have seen a lot of types of cones, like orange, blue, green, and I have seen also some black cones and brown cones. The brown cones just tastes like a chocolate cone. I love it. Brown is just like our chair and table. Now a final touch that will make it more beautiful, a black color. We are gonna outline this. It's gonna look so beautiful. Did you know 1,000 people hasn't counted their hair? Nobody couldn't count their hair how many hair I have. Have you ever counted yours? Tell me in the comment section. I will teach you more drawing things. But first you gotta like and subscribe to my channel. I will send more videos just like this video. Okay? So first let me outline these. Look How beautiful are they? Let me just say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos just like this, visit our channel and subscribe. Goodbye.